Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is November the 1st. We are out here in Snellville, Georgia. We have a very unique job. This is a client that actually reached out to me earlier this week. They're moving their parents into this small home, and they have a brick floor, and they have a lot of paint on the floor, which I'm about to show you guys. And she said, Courtney, just do the best you can. We just got to hurry up and get our parents in this home because we've been trying to get the paint off for almost weeks, for a few weeks, and we just can't get it. So I told her we'll do the best we can because this is definitely a unique process. So I just tested the area. It looked like we're going to have some good success with it. And then after this, we're going to go back to the job that we started yesterday where we could not get a good color correction because the original stain was mixed with two colors. So my guy, Raphael, is out there sanding the floors now. So he's going to re-sand the floors down. The client did understand, so they're paying the extra to have the floor sanded. So they're sanding the floors down, re-stain them, and then seal them, and then we're gonna go coat them and UV cure them. So anyway, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we're in Snellville, Georgia, not far from Lawrenceville, and this is what we're doing. It is a brick floor. All right, so this is the floor right here. I've already treated this area right here. All right, and all of this, and again, this is just cleaning the floor. All right, so we're setting up our portable, our chemistry, and our buffer because I'm also going to scrub it. And then we got all this over here. All right, now this is where it gets interesting. Back here, I told her I'll test a few areas. If that stuff does not come off, we're just going to cut this off right here and leave this alone because, guys, this is just layers and layers and layers of paint. And they will probably have to have this pressure wash. Yeah, I don't think this is going to come off. Yeah. So I think we're not going to mess with this part right here, guys. This is the part, she said, Courtney, that I told her when I came, and I'm very honest and transparent with my clients. If I can't do something, like I told her, I'll test it. If it doesn't work, we're just going to leave it alone, and we're just going to do this part right here. So that's what we're going to start doing, guys. All right.
We grind. Yeah. Brick. By brick. Yeah. We grind, never quit. Never quit. Let go. Stack it up, make it stick. Brick. By brick. Yeah. By brick. Blood, sweat, grind, commit. Stack that water on slip. Brick. By brick. Look, right now we lit. Legacy strong, won't quit. Started from the mud, no blueprint in hand. Just a vision, just a mission, just a man with a plan. Sharp snares cracking like the hustle in my veins. Sub bass rumbling heavy like the weight of my pain. By brick, lay foundation in the rain. Had to build it on my own, not a soul I could blame. They doubted, they shouted, tried to box me in quick, but I rose from the struggle. Brick by brick, 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 by brick, yeah, by brick, yeah. Blood, sweat, grind, commit, stack that wall, don't slip. Brick, by brick, trap in, we lit, build success, brick by brick. Kicks hitting like a hammer on the block. Yeah. Every setback just another cinder lock. Fast, high, half roll, hustle never slow. I'ma build a skyscraper from the dirt they throw. See the shine in the grind, can't fake that tone. Every brick got a story, every scar got shown. Now I'm standing on the top, still hungry, still thick. Whole empire standing brick by brick. Brick, rise, yeah, yeah, grind. Hustle till the day I shine. Turn the struggle into gain. By brick, by brick. We grind and never quit. Stack it up, make it stick. By brick, putting dirt to the rich. Build success, brick by brick. Brick, yeah, yeah, yeah. Brick.
We are done. Again, that back room, we're not going to mess with it. Her best bet, but I wouldn't recommend it, is the best thing to do is find someone who has like a big pressure washer, but they have to have a vacuum system to suck the water out. and probably hit this floor with like 3,000 PSI. But you can see, guys, for what we done today, there's a huge improvement, and this is what I told her. That's all we wanted to do, and she just wanted to have the floors cleaned. Now, me, honestly, if this is my place, I would prime it and paint the floors black. I think that would look real cool. Just paint the floors, the grout lines black. But trying to get there, you can see a lot of the paint is still not the grains, but I'm thinking about wood. The grout of the brick. So again, this is no chance right here, not even touching that. And or you can come in here, but it would be a health hazard. Spray this whole floor down with acetone and let the acetone eat up the paint and soften it up, and then clean it out. But all right, guys, well, our job is done. So what we're gonna do is head back to the shop, drop this equipment off because we typically don't carry this equipment, and then head back to Roswell so we can recoat and UV cure that floor for the homeowners that we started yesterday, but the floors had to be sanded. All right, guys, again, that's it. That's the best it's gonna get. You know, in situations like this, you gotta know your limitations, but overall, this is a huge improvement. All right, guys, see you in the next one.